Kyle, I said shut up!
You're a poop nose. Oh, God.
Hey, fat ass, give me your wallet.
I could give you my wallet, but what I think you really want is love.
It's true.
I'm taking your shoes.
Oh, hey, Peter. What are you clenching in that fist there?
Well, that was sadder than what I was going for. Well, at least it's over. Oh, God, those are all final notice wheelchair bills. Not a good day for Joe. Not a good day for Joe.
Hey, Meg.
Hi, Connie.
I can't fit all my books in my locker. Can I put the rest of them on your ginormous ass?
Hey, Connie. Hi, Peter Griffin, Meg's father. Say, can you do me a favor? You see that fire extinguisher there?
Dad, that's enough! Dad, that's enough! That's enough, Dad!
Griffin, I need these shipping reports filled out by 5 o'clock today.
Okay, that is the last time you are gonna pull that crap. You hear me?
Yes!
Do you hear me?
Yes!
And you are gonna hold down that football until Charlie Brown kicks it. You got that?
Yes!
Go ahead, Charlie.
Yay!
And you know what else? I did some checking around. You're not a licensed therapist.